Hey, this is Mario from Actual Reports. And in this video, I will show you how to tweak a pre-existing template to create one that you would like to use for your documents. To start off, open your templates and select the template you would like your new design to be based on. Before you start editing, select File and make a copy, then change the name. A very quick and easy way to change all the fonts and colors would be to hold down Control button and with left click select all the text boxes you would like to change, and then you can change them all at once. To change the date format, click on the text box with the date, select Formatting and choose Date as the type. Now I swapped the places of day and month and made the year a 2-symbol one instead of 4 symbols. If you'd like, you can also change the decimal place or separate thousands. Select the box with a numerical value and choose the type as numbers. Here you can change the decimal place or change the decimal place separator or thousands separator. Next, I will move the line item description box underneath its name. So I need to make the container bigger and then copy the description value and make a copy of the box and then paste the description onto the new box. And lastly, to make the tracking and handling of your document a bit easier, you can add a barcode on it. So there's a barcode button on the left, and then on the right side you can edit it. Also, don't forget to save your new template. Now that was all about editing a pre-existing template. To contact us, please find our contacts from actualreports.com.